Good morning, all of you. Today we will,
Good morning.
yes, good morning. We will continue with English language and we were doing nouns. Okay, so just a quick recap. What is a noun?
Noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing or an idea.
Thing.
Okay, yes, Shabd once again.
Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing or idea.
Okay, all right. So that is noun. Uh, how many kinds of nouns do we know?
Four.
Four kinds of
Okay,
nouns.
Four.
name them.
Proper noun,
Proper noun, common noun, collective
collective
noun, and abstract
noun,
noun.
Okay, so proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and abstract noun.
abstract.
Okay, so we have done exercise A and B, and I have given you exercise C as homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
have
ma'am.
you all done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's discuss it. First one, you in this exercise you have to write two proper nouns for each common noun. Common noun is mentioned, and you have to give two proper nouns for that. So first is car.
Ma'am, Mercedes.
Yes, yes. Purvi,
Ma'am, Mercedes and BMW.
Mercedes, and
Ma'am, BMW.
okay, so
Ma'am,
Mercedes
Mercedes
and BMW, and you can write the name of any brand, any car that you want.
and Baleno.
Okay, yes, there are so many. You can write any. Does not matter. Okay, restaurant.
Ma'am, Chef Corner and Marksman.
Okay,
Ma'am, Vaibhav and Deva.
all right. Okay, so name of any two restaurants you have to write. Then friend. Obviously, you know you have so many friends. You can write the name of any two of your friends. Then river.
Ma'am, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati.
Ma'am, Indus Godavari.
Okay, yes, all correct. Ocean.
Ma'am, Brahmaputra. Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean.
Ma'am, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean.
Okay, Indian, Pacific, Atlantic is also correct. All right, then sea.
Ma'am, Arabian Sea, Red Sea.
Okay, so Red Sea is
Bering
correct,
Sea.
Arabian Sea, Caspian Sea, they are all correct. Then dog.
Ma'am, Bulldog.
Okay, bulldog is
Ma'am,
correct.
Bulldog.
Then
Ma'am, German Shepherd.
okay, German Shepherd,
Ma'am, Labrador.
Labrador is also right.
Ma'am, golden retriever.
Yes, beta, which one?
Ma'am, golden retriever.
Okay, golden retriever, that is also correct. Now film.
Ma'am, Sania, Lancaster.
All right, this is easy. You can write the name of your favorite films. Novel.
Ma'am, Invincible. Ma'am, Tanjali. Piano.
Ma'am, The Guide.
Yes, more. Someone else also. Name of novels.
Ma'am, Invisible Man.
Yes, Aditi.
Ma'am, Invisible Man and Beloved.
Invisible Man and
Ma'am, Beloved.
okay, yes. Yes, Vibhav. What do you want to say?
Ma'am, Harry Potter and the Cursed Child.
Okay, correct. Fine. Now school. Name of any two schools.
Ma'am, Cathedral St. Francis.
Okay.
Ma'am, Cathedral and Loreto.
Okay.
Ma'am, Christchurch.
All right. So Cathedral, Christchurch, Loreto, all correct. Then store.
Ma'am, Toy Store General Store. Bookstore.
Ma'am, yes,
Universal
Prabhati.
Bookstore. Ma'am, Patanjali Store.
Okay, so name of stores you can tell here, and the last is teacher. So you can write the name of your favorite teachers. So that will be easy for you. Now let's move on. The next topic that we have here is number, means noun, number. So number, we have singular number and plural number, or singular form or plural form. What is singular form?
Ma'am, when a form denotes a single thing, then it is singular, and ma'am, when it denotes that, ma'am, more than one thing, then ma'am, it is plural.
Alright, so when we talk of a single person, one animal, one thing, alright, so that is singular form, and plural is when we talk of more than one. So example of singular,
Ma'am, banana.
Ma'am, dog. Ma'am, a pen.
okay, correct, and plural form,
Ma'am. Ma'am, books.
books,
Ma'am, books.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
trees.
pens. Ma'am,
yes,
Ma'am,
pens,
monkeys.
monkeys, correct,
Ma'am, buses.
okay, fine. Now when we are talking about number in nouns, so we have, under that we have two types of nouns under that, that is countable and uncountable. So as the name denotes, countable nouns would be those which we can count, all right, like chairs, marbles, pencils, pen, all right, books. So all the things that we can count, we call them as countable nouns, and then there are certain things, there are certain which we cannot count, so we call them as uncountable nouns. Now before moving forward, we'll have just a look at few of these conversions here, how to make plural. So here on this page, page number 15 in your book and page number 16, they have given that how we can convert from singular to plural. So like many nouns, this is the most simplest form, that many nouns, if you want to make their plural, you simply add an s at the end. So like book, books, window, windows, pen, pens, book, books, okay. So that's it. Now then there are certain nouns which end in s or a double s, ch, sh, z or x. Now all these nouns, they form their plural by adding es at the end. So like bus ending in s, so it will become buses. Fox ending in x, it will become foxes, and so on. Then nouns which end in o, now they form their plural by adding es at the end. So like potato, it become potatoes, tomato become tomatoes. Then nouns, some nouns which end in o, they form their plural by adding s. Now some form their plurals by adding es, but some nouns which end in o, they also form their plurals but just by adding a simple s, like photo, so it become photos, and zoo become zoos, piano become pianos. Alright, then nouns which end in f or fe, they will change into plural. What you have to do, you have to take out the f and then you add ves, alright, or if it is ending in fe, so you take out fe and you add ves. So like thieves, you take out f and add ves, so it become thieves. Like life, life, so it is ending in fe, you remove fe and add ves, so it will be lives. And like this also, there are so many conversions given. Now you need to go through all of them, and so that you know how to make the plurals of the different nouns here. Okay, so like if you turn the page, now here we have like compound nouns also. In compound nouns, the plural ending is added to the main noun. So whatever is the main noun, we add the s to that particular word. For example, attorney general become attorneys general. Daughter-in-law, so we don't say daughter-in-laws, we say daughters-in-law. Alright, then passerby will become passers-by, not passer-bys. So we add the plural ending to the main noun. What is the main noun in spoonfuls? So spoon. Here, what is the main noun in maid of honor? So you know we add s to the main noun here, which is maids. Um, spoonful, single word, so it become spoonfuls, and not spoons full, so it will be spoonfuls. Then there are certain words which are borrowed from the Latin language and which end in us. So you know when we want to change them into plural, so what we do, we add we will remove that us and we will add I in that place. So like fungus become fungi, syllabus, syllabi, and so on. Then again few more examples are given here, conversions are given here. Latin words which are borrowed from Latin which end in so here they will form their plurals by changing into a. So stratum becomes strata. Then words which are borrowed from Latin that end in a, like formula, so we make the plural by adding e at the end, so formula becomes formulae. Then then Latin words which not exactly Latin words which are borrowed from the Latin language. Now if they end in o on, then what we do, we form their plurals by changing on into a, like criterion becomes criteria, and so on. So you need to go through this table so that you make the correct conversions when you are asked to. Okay, let's move on to exercise D here. Correct the errors in the use of nouns or verbs in these sentences. So in each sentence there is an error. You have to correct that error. First one, the news are bad. What is wrong here?
Ma'am, the news is bad.
Okay.
Bad.
So cut R and in place of R you can write is. The news is bad. So just cut R and in place of that you can write is. Next, diabetes are incurable.
Ma'am, diabetes is incurable.
Okay, correct. Diabetes is incurable. Next, your luggages are so heavy.
Ma'am, your luggage is so heavy.
Your luggage.
Yes, good.
Is so heavy.
Your luggage, so cut the S in luggages. So your luggage is so heavy. That will be the correct sentence. Next one. Mother bought 2 loaves. Here, see the spelling of loaves, LOAFS. 2 loaves of bread. Yes.
Ma'am, LOAVES.
Alright. So we form the plural of loaves, not like this, not just by adding a single S. What we do, we will remove the F and we will add VES. So it will be loaves. LOAVES, loaves. Next, put the 2 books case in the study.
Ma'am, put the 2 books
in the study.
2 book.
Ma'am, 2 bookcases.
Right, 2 bookcases. Put the 2 book cases. So cut S after books and add it after case. So put the 2 book cases in the study. That will be correct. Next, there are lots of mouses in the attic.
Ma'am, there are lots of mice in the attic.
Yes, correct. So mouses is no such word. The plural of mouse is mice. I ate 2 stuffed tomato for lunch. 2 stuffed tomato. Tomatoes.
Tomato.
Add S also after that. I ate 2 stuffed tomatoes for lunch. Add 2 spoonsful of vanilla essence to the batter.
Ma'am, add 2
Spoonfuls.
essence to the batter.
Alright, so add 2 spoonfuls. cut S after spoons and add it after full. So spoonfuls. Mathematics are my favorite subject.
Ma'am, mathematics is my favorite subject.
Okay, so mathematics is my favorite subject. It is a single subject. How many deers are left in Alipore Zoo?
How many
deer are left
in Alipore?
Okay, correct. So you cut S from deers. How many deer are left? I wrote many essays for my history class.
I wrote many essays for my history class, ma'am. Instead of ES, we write S.
Okay, so we don't form the plural of essays by adding ES. We simply add an S. So you can cut the E from here. Essays. The engineer installed 5 softwares in the laptop.
I installed 5 software in the laptop.
Okay, the engineer installed 5 software. Cut S. 5 software in the laptop. The passerbys helped the victim get to the hospital.
The passers-by helped the victim get to the hospital.
Alright, so we will add S to passers and not bys. So cut S after by and put it after S. So the passers by. Okay, the 14th one here. There are 32 permanent tooths in an adult human.
There are 32 permanent teeth.
permanent
Okay,
teeth
yes.
in an adult human.
Teeth will be correct. The plural of tooth is teeth. So in place of tooths, you write teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Let's move on to the next exercise. Countable, which you can count. Uncountable, which you cannot count. So you know you have so many examples of countable nouns. Give me a few examples of uncountable nouns. Which-
Ma'am,
Yes.
sugar.
Sugar,
Ma'am, water.
water.
Ma'am, water here.
Ma'am, soil.
Okay.
Water.
Ma'am, salt.
Okay.
Ma'am, star.
Let's
Ma'am, rice.
let's try to do the exercise. Let's see whether you are able to do it. Identify whether the highlighted nouns in these sentences are countable. So if they are countable, you put a C. If they are uncountable, you put a U. So countable C, uncountable U. I do not like milk. Milk is what?
Ma'am, uncountable. You.
Ma'am, you.
Okay, uncountable. I need some advice from you.
Ma'am, uncountable.
Ma'am, uncountable.
Okay, uncountable. Can you give me some water? What is water?
Ma'am, uncountable.
Okay,
Uncountable.
uncountable. Can I have some juice, please?
Ma'am,
Uncountable.
Okay, uncountable. Keep these bottles in the fridge. Bottles.
uncountable.
Countable. Yes, we can count the bottles. Mix the butter and the flour well. So butter and
Uncountable.
Ma'am, uncountable.
uncountable. Right, uncountable. We don't say 1 butter, 2 butter. Okay. I have to fix this vase. Get me some glue.
Ma'am, countable, uncountable.
Countable and blue is uncountable.
Okay, so vase is countable and glue is
Uncountable.
Right. Next, let us buy new furniture for the drawing room.
Ma'am, countable.
Ma'am, countable.
Furniture is
Ma'am,
countable. You say
countable.
I have 1 furniture in my room, in my house. 1 furniture, 2 furniture. You can count the things which come under furniture. You can count the number of chairs. You can count the number of tables. But furniture as such cannot be counted. You can say we have good furniture, proper furniture in our drawing room. Furnitures, we have proper furnitures? No, that will not be correct. So furniture is uncountable. The things which fall under furniture, that can be counted, like chairs and tables, bookshelves, and all that can be counted, but not furniture. The word furniture is uncountable, so write it as uncountable. Everyone is concerned about pollution in our cities. So pollution.
Ma'am, pollution uncountable, city is countable.
Okay, right. Pollution uncountable, cities is countable. Complete your homework before you go to sleep.
Ma'am, uncountable.
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Okay. We don't say complete your one homework, two homework. Homework, complete thing. Okay? Uncountable. Then 11th. The policeman fined the man for jumping the red light.
Ma'am, uncountable and uncountable.
Alright, so both are. Yes. Policeman is countable, right? Light. Which light?
Ma'am, light is uncountable.
Beta, red light. We're jumping here we are talking about the red light. So how many red lights did he jump? 1, 2 red lights.
Ma'am, 1.
So can it be counted or not? We are not counting that light, sunlight we are not talking about. Red lights we are talking about.
Ma'am, we can count.
We can count. Alright, 12th one. Can you please give me some information about the Smiths?
Ma'am, uncountable.
Okay.
Ma'am, uncountable.
Yes, uncountable. Okay. So that was your countable, uncountable, means noun, number. Now we move on to gender. Okay. So gender, 4 types of gender nouns are there. 4 kinds of gender nouns. The first is masculine gender. Can you tell me what does masculine gender tell us?
Ma'am, masculine gender donates men.
Okay. So yes, men, males, like men, boys, and
I'm king.
yeah, okay, king. Then feminine gender. Feminine gender talks about like
Ma'am, feminine gender denotes females.
females, just like masculine gender talks about males, so feminine gender it talks about females. Examples of female gender:
Ma'am, queen.
queen,
Ma'am, queen. Ma'am, girls. Ma'am,
girl,
aunt.
okay,
Ma'am, tigress.
tigress,
Ma'am, woman.
women, okay.
Lioness.
Okay. Now, next is common gender. Means now there are certain nouns which we can use for both males or females. Means for both genders. Now they are called as common gender. Okay. Teacher. Teacher is which gender?
Ma'am, common gender.
Common gender. You use the word teacher for both your ma'am and sir. Alright. For male teachers as well as for your female teachers. So, teacher would be a common gender. Then like baby, or when we say student, so student could be a boy or a girl, so they are common genders. Now the 4th one is neuter gender. Now neuter gender refers to things which are lifeless, which do not possess life in them. For example,
Ma'am,
window,
Ma'am, glass.
okay,
Ma'am, bed.
yes,
Pen, pencil.
pen, pencil, book,
Table, chair, ma'am, door.
Box.
Ma'am, calculator.
Alright.
chair.
Okay, fine. So they all are neuter gender. Now, if you see on page number 18 and page number 19, if you see the masculine and feminine genders are given, means what would be the feminine of uncle, or what would be the masculine of goddess. So the tables are given here and you need to learn them up, you need to know it well. I think most of you might be knowing most of these words here, but still, if there are any words which you find here which you don't know the feminine or masculine of, so you can learn from this table here. Then page 19, animals are mentioned and their masculine and feminine genders are also given, like fox. So fox is masculine and the feminine of fox is vixen. Then lion we use, so lion is used for lion is the masculine gender and lioness would be the feminine gender. So this you can study from here and learn from here also. Now 2 more exercises are left in this chapter, but we don't have time for that today, so we will continue with that tomorrow. So whatever we have done today, have you all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed everything? Have you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so no one has missed anything? Sure?
Ma'am, we also have to do the exercises on our copy.
Beta, I will let you know. I will put it for your homework, what you have to do in your copies. I have told you to write the definition of noun and also mention the different kinds of noun with examples.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that I have already given. So, let me see what I will give you. You can do one thing. You can write these tables which are given on page 18, the masculine and feminine. Okay, that you can write in your copy. The one that is given on page 18, 2 tables are given. You can write that in your language copy. That's all for now.
Ma'am, animal table?
That I'll tell you later on. Okay, for today that is enough work. Alright?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so
Thank
when
you.
we meet tomorrow, then we will continue with this. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.